Hello and welcome as we head into Tuesday, the 14th day of February 2017. Quick look at the markets. I'm very intrigued by the fact that this trend line, the trend has stayed intact for practically the entire year as we are now in the middle of February. That's just amazing. The only hiccup along the way was this late January fall to the 18 average of lows, as this entire trend has been supporting the 18 average of highs with the resistance this little bit above never taken out. This trend will remain in such until it's not in play, and it has to break either the support or resistance for that to be the case. On the break of resistance, those are the type of days where you have an 8%, 10%, 6% up day. So within this time frame, if we see the break of this resistance clearly, and you're up maybe 2.5, 3.5%, then you got to think there's possible legs for higher movements. Not guaranteed, but definitely more probable. And a break of this support can do one of three things, with the first one being the least probable, and that is revert the trend to a smaller uptrend. So instead of going up at whatever rate of ascent, you do it at a less of a rate. That's not going to happen. Another one is the market goes sideways. That could happen. And then, of course, the market going lower due to price. Those are the two likely events. Back in here, it obviously had the chance to do either or, but it has to make a move within this 18 average band between the lows and the highs for you even to consider that as a near-term possibility. And again, nice case of grinding your way higher the way you like it by the book. And the Bitcoin one that preceded, well, many weeks before, and here would be the ultimate one as far as microscopic volatility. For this took like 2 weeks to get 1 day's worth of gains back at this point. So it's just an interesting example, to say the least. But I didn't do daily videos back in here, but I could probably have wanted to skip a bunch of days, because why do I need to say the same thing over again? And I did skip a couple days back here for that exact reason, as might be the case here. However, it means tomorrow, if it doesn't break this range, don't expect a video analysis, but on the blog that I just put up, the chart will still be there. It's just, if it's just like sticking within this range, why do I need to come out and tell you the stuff that I said yesterday is still the same? Because there's no need to in my book. As far as some key resistance and support marks, 950, that's the ultimate one even for this range. I got 965, but you know what? 950 is just so much bigger. And then 1006, clear break above that. You're talking 10, 15, 20, or a range from that up to this 1050 number with resistance above that at 1100. Then above that is new charter territories. And those would be the levels. So thank you for tuning in and take care.